So everything was taken out. Now we have an empty shell. Basically, now we can play around. What's up, everyone? Kassa here. Exciting day today. I am here in Lynnwood, Washington. This is a property I purchased last year. It's a Rambler house, and I just hired a company to totally gut it all out to the bones. I'm going to walk you through what it looks like, but the goal is we're going to renovate it, remodel it, and rent it out for that cash flow rental property, investment property. I'm going to have you come with me. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. Come on down. It's Kassa, your Lynnwood realtor, and welcome to my channel where I talk all things real estate and take you through my journey of building generational wealth by purchasing Rambler homes like this one to renovate them, use them as a rental property that's going to be cash flowing. Like, subscribe to this video. It's encouraged me to make more videos just like this. I choose a Rambler house to start investing because they're easy to remodel, but usually my strategy when it comes to investment property, there's few requirements that I have or criteria that I choose. The property has to be in a high demand area. Most of the time for me, it's going to be Lynnwood, Edmond, Mount Lake Terrace, Shoreline area. I love Rambler houses. They're easy to renovate. But the most important thing is with the market being so expensive to buy property, you got to start adding value to the property. And with the Rambler house, these are some of the things I look for. It has to be a Rambler house, sometime a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, but has to have at least additional bonus room or a garage I can convert to add for additional bedroom. So this specific house that we're in, this was a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, but it has a bonus space where I'm at right now and a garage space. So the goal is, if it's 3-bedroom, 1 bath, how can I convert it to maybe a 5-bedroom, 2 bath, or 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath with the bonus space? So the first thing I normally do is acquire the property. Once I acquire the property, I hire an architect. Me and the architect will sit down and see how we can configure the plan to add additional bedrooms and bathroom or expand the square foot of the home. Once we complete that, me and the architect will submit to the city because you always want to do things according to plan. You know, the last thing you want to do is draw something and submit it. It doesn't get approved, or you buy a property that is zoned incorrectly where you think you can upzone it or convert the garage. After you buy it, you find out then that property is not convertible. Now you're stuck with that property. So me and my architect submitted the plan. This specific plan we drew up to be at least 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and the square foot went from 1,400 to almost 2,100 square foot. So what does that do for me? It added more square foot, more bedroom. So now I can rent it out instead of a 3-bedroom, 1 bath house. I can rent it a 5-bedroom to 2.5 with a bonus space. So I can get more rental income out of it by just converting the living space and the garage. So one of the requirements I always say is how do I upsize the square foot for the home. As soon as our plan was approved, the first thing I normally do, or I did at this house, that's why you look at it and everything is gutted to the bone. You know, there's no insulation, no drywall. We had it tested for asbestos in 1960 house. Obviously there was asbestos. So a company got hired. They came out and just gutted everything to the bone. Literally there's no drywall, no insulation. Everything was taken out because that would set us up to start renovating and moving the walls and anything that we need to do. So the first step was get it tested. Drywall was asbestos, sad, which you have to pay a lot of money. And once that was completed, they gutted it all out. Then now we are ready to take out all the existing stuff. What are existing stuff? The old plumbing, copper plumbing, galvanized plumbing, the toilet, the bathtub. That got gutted out. The next step is the electricals. These were old electrical system with the additions that they had. So everything was taken out. Now we have an empty shell. Basically, now we can play around what the architect has drawn to now laying everything out, which is the framing part, which is one of my favorite part, because now we can manipulate the rooms to extra bedrooms, extra square foot layout, converting the garage. We are framed out right now to have additional bedrooms, additional bathroom, completely ready to start doing the second step, which would be re-adding the new materials. So the second phase, now that we're going to be complete with all the framing work, is going to be putting everything back in. Electrical, plumbing, the insulation system, the HVAC system, all these things are going to be put back in. That'll be part 2 of the renovation for me. And that's part 1 of my Lynnwood remodel video. Click here to check out more videos from the last renovation. Subscribe to my channel to stay notified, to encourage me to make videos just like this one. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you on part 2 on my Lynnwood remodel.